results. Many thanks for joining this broadcast. Nikitaka kuambia Wakenya wote the purpose for Monday protests by Azimio readers. The main purpose is to punish Kikuyus and Mount Kenya kwa sababu they never voted for Azimio. And this is the strategy. Disrupt their businesses. Hype their emotions ili wachukie serikali ya William Samoei Ruto. So the main purpose for Monday protest will be let's punish Mount Kenya and Kikuyus for not voting for Azimio. Everybody knows that more than 60% of businesses in Nairobi, Central Business Center, they are owned by Kikuyus. Matatu business, even hawkers, small business enterprises, Nyamakima, Mudhuru, every corner of Nairobi, those businesses are owned by Kikuyus. So, strategy ya Azimio ya kupunish wa Kikuyu is to destroy their properties. Wende Nairobi wa disrupt, waharibu biashara zao, ili wasikie uchungu, the pinch of not voting for Raila Amolo Odinga. And we are telling our sister, Mother Wangari Karua, don't be used to punish your community. Don't be used to punish your community. Tunajua hakuna state house wanaenda kwa sababu no government can allow you to go to a protected place. A state house is a protected place even in the constitution. Na wanajua kutakuwa na heavy security. That's a protected place. So Raila Amolo Odinga anataka watu wake waende venye wamezoea waharibu biashara za Kikuyu. So the main purpose is to punish Kikuyus and Mount Kenya. And Mother Karua, don't be used. Now, Mother Karua, we want to tell you that you have misread Raila Amolo Odinga. We saw you inviting Raila Amolo Odinga to announce a public holiday. Na wewe umekuwa, you are a seasoned lawyer, ushaikuwa a minister of constitutional minister, and you dare tell Raila Amolo Odinga you invite him to declare a public holiday, and you know very well who is supposed to declare a public holiday. The Minister of CS for Internal Security, in consultation with the President. Now you tell him to go ahead and announce a public holiday. You misled Raila Amolo Odinga. And Mother Karua, one day those words will haunt you. Please don't allow at all Azimio to use you ili waseme hata kuna Mkikuyu in us. The main purpose for Monday protest is to punish Kikuyus. And we are telling, and I'm representing Kenyans who supported this government, and I will continue supporting this government. I'm here in America, and I have done my investigation back in Kenya using my people, and here, also here. Kenyans are not supporting this, especially Kenyans in America and diaspora. Me, I have called many before I did this video. So, we Kenyans in diaspora, in America, we are not supporting this protest. That's our motherland. Our families are there. We invest there. Chaos ikitokea, even our families will be affected. So, nimekuja kuambia wa Kenya, don't be bribed. The main purpose for Monday protests, Monday maandamano, is punish Mount Kenya and Kikuyus. And we are telling the big media houses, don't live stream this thing. We don't want to see it. Kwa sababu, it's like some media houses are used to fuel this fire. And we are calling the government and the Minister for Communications and whoever is concerned. Switch off any media house that is going to broadcast this maandamano. Because they will be fueling the fire. So nimekuja kuwaelezea here from America that Kenyans in America and diaspora are not supporting this protest, and it's meant to punish Kikuyus and Mount Kenya. For today, how do you niko nayo na tutafuatilia. Please, media houses, don't live stream. Musituletee live ya hiyo maandamano. And here in America, Kenyans living in America and diaspora, we are not supporting that. Bye bye for today. That's all I have.